We love to use this every day, whether it's for tea, coffee, or something else. But have you ever thought about the art of crafting one of these? Here in my studio, I'm going to show you how a potter makes a mug. A mug is one of the most important shape a potter will learn how to make because it all starts with a cylinder. And this is important because if you can throw a perfect cylinder, it means you can pretty much throw anything. Like with everything in craft, there's many different ways of making a mug. If you don't have a wheel, you can hand build one, or you can have a mold. Today, I'm going to show you my favorite method, which is throwing on the wheel.
Most mugs are made out of stoneware or earthenware, but for this, I'm using my favorite clay, which is porcelain. It has a lovely white finish and is strong and light, which makes it very easy to use as a mug. It also works really well with the glaze I'm using, which you can see later on in this video. So right now I'm centering the clay and getting ready to pull the cylinder. If you enjoy watching my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps me to reach out to more people, and it means you'll get an update when I release my new video every week.
So now here we have our cylinder all trimmed with a foot, looking more like a cup or a mug. So you can actually stop here at this point and just leave it as it is. You don't need to add a handle. You can go for that whole, Japanese vibe. It's called a Yunomi cup, if anyone was wondering. You know me. Or if you want to add a handle, we can add a handle. There's different ways of creating a handle. You can go for more handmade approach of just doing little coils, twisting it and making quite organic like this, or you can go for a standard, question mark, questioning, what is this? Question mark handle, the standard one, or even you can go for something a bit fancy, give it a little bit of an accent at the end, like little twirl, or kind of make it come out and make it boxy like this. You can even put it in a different position as well. I'm going to make my handle by pulling one. This is the most traditional way of doing it. It's kind of like milking a cow. I don't know if you ever milked a cow before. I have. Not very nice. We're going to use the Pringle can as a prop to help us get that nice handle shape. Got my handle. Okay, just trimming. So I want my handle to look like this. As potters, we also need to think about the practicality of it as well. So when it comes to a handle, we have to think about the shape, the size, and how it fits with the actual body, and also how it feels when you're holding it. So that's another important factor. Now I've fettled, blended, joined my handle. It's done. So now all that's left to do is put it in the kiln bisque fire it. This is one that I've done earlier, and this is all bisque. So now all we need to do is glaze it, give it some color so we can turn this into this. Okay. Okay, once it's glazed, all you need to do is fire it. So I'm going to fire it to cone 7. And ta-da! Through the magic of YouTube, this is what I made earlier. It's done and we have a mug. So this is how a mug is made.